Okay guys, I picked this up at the bin store today for $10. And somebody tell me what model extruder that is. I couldn't pass it up. Anything that's in a Creality box I'll grab over there. Picked up a couple other little things. Got these for $10, 32 gigabyte thumb drives. And then, big thing, I got this hot air rework station. I've been wanting one of these forever. And it just blows my mind that I was able to find it for $10. Then got, this is so-so deal. I got 3 of these digital calipers, 2 of them stainless steel and 1 of them plastic. Got them for $10. Got this Estwig hammer for $10. And I got a set of Irwin Forstner bits, a screwdriver set, and a set of gear pullers. I got a hobby machine shop, and then these 900 piece set of metric screws and nuts. So, you know, I'm always picking those up. But I told them when I was checking out that I made out like a bandit, and I think I did.